Hello, this is a short video on how to set up the IV500w or other products from HT in the solar measurement field to work with our remote monitor, which we call the Solar O2. So the first thing to do is to set up the IV500 or whatever instrument you have to to work with the Solar O2. And we do that down in this remote unit solarium menu. We press enter. Right now it's set up not to use the Solar O2, but we're going to change that. We're going to say yes, and we're going to press save, which it tells you it's saved, which is good. Now when we go back to the test menu, you'll see this little wireless icon. That's letting us know that indeed the wireless is on, and it's looking for a Solar O2, as a matter of fact. So we're going to put this over here for a few minutes, and this is our Solar O2. You can see now that the display doesn't have any inclination that this instrument is looking for a mate, if you will, to pair up. So we're going to turn it off, and we're going to turn it back on, which is when it should start looking. And you'll see that the icon for the wireless up there is actually steady. It's no longer blinking, and the same thing is true for the icon on the 500W. So they're talking now. They have established a connection, and now the next thing we need to do is in this menu now it says activate recording. Now when I press enter and it starts activating the recording, what that means is we have linked the clocks in both units, and they are no longer connected once we do this, but they are acquiring data. If your IV500 might be doing your curve tracing, and the Solar O2 taking the environmental issues like irradiance and temperature, if you choose that. So I'm going to press it. You'll see it says remote unit is in record mode. So it's recording. And these items now no longer to be close to each other. They can, in fact, I mean, if you get there far enough, they could be 100 miles away, and they'd still be operating correctly because no connection is needed during testing. And that's how you start testing with the Solar O2 and one of HT's measurement units. Thanks. Bye-bye.